What's the meaning of arrive? Arrive. Arrive.
Arrive. Arrive. Arrive means to reach a destination or objective, often after traveling or completing a journey. The result of arriving is the successful completion of the journey or reaching the intended destination. It may also involve a sense of accomplishment or relief, as the individual has achieved their goal. Arriving can signify the end of one phase and the beginning of another, such as arriving at a new job or a new city. Ultimately, arriving refers to the act of reaching a desired destination or achieving a specific goal.